my phone is always dead. This is the RORRY portable power bank, all right? I really like this because you have all of the built-in cables, but you can also charge your Apple Watch on here. So it's one device and it does multiple things. So you just pull it like that, okay? I have no nails, so I couldn't get it out. And then you pull it like that. So you can not have to carry 7 million cables. You just turn it on here at the bottom, and then you just charge it with a standard cable. You could put your watch on here. This is compact enough for the purse or the jacket pocket, but it's still powerful enough for multiple real charges. This is the travel charger for people who are tired of dead phones. Me. And it's slightly heavier, but the weight really does translate into durability and capacity. So you can get the job done with this. If you juggle an iPhone and an Apple Watch, this simplifies your life by being able to charge them at the same time, okay, without having to have 5,000 cables. But this is the RORRY portable charger.